Picture this. You're about to buy something on AliExpress, eBay, or even pay for Netflix. You click checkout, and boom, your local card gets rejected. Frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to get a free Visa dollar card that actually works? Not just in the US. Not just in Europe. But right here in Africa, yes, in Ghana, Nigeria, and a whole worldwide. This is a simple, legal process designed for anyone who shops or pays online. No technical skills, no hidden tricks, and no complicated financial barriers. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get your card, how it works, and why it's changing the game for online payments across Africa. So, if you've ever struggled with online payments, buckle up. This could be the solution you've been waiting for. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and stick with me till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have everything you need to start using your free Visa dollar card today. Alright, enough talking, let's see this card in action. First up, we're checking out spend.net, one of the easiest platforms to get your free Visa dollar card. Looking for a simple way to manage online payments and get cashback while doing it? Meet spend.net, a platform that gives you virtual debit cards in dollars, completely free to issue. With spend.net, your virtual cards come ready for use and are compatible with Visa and MasterCard. They include 3D secure protection, keeping your transactions safe. Every purchase you make earns 1% cashback automatically, whether you're shopping online, paying for subscriptions, or using apps and services. Just use your card to pay for anything, from Adobe Photoshop to hotel bookings, AliExpress, eBay, and much more. Signing up is quick. You can register with your Google account or just your email. Issuing cards is straightforward. Follow simple on-screen instructions, and you can create as many as you need. The card becomes active once you add funds to your balance. I hope you get my point. The card details will only be visible after the account is funded, keeping your card secure while giving you complete control. Balances can be topped up using dollars, that's USD, or even cryptocurrency like USDT or BTC if that's your preference. The platform offers flexible top-up options, so you can choose the best method for you. Most transactions are free, no extra fees for purchases, withdrawals, or currency exchange. Smaller top-ups under $50 carry a minor service fee, but otherwise, spending is hassle-free. Many users can create multiple cards without limits, and free card insurance is included. 0% for transactions, declines, currency exchange operations, card or account withdrawals, refunds, 0% for account top-ups of $50 or more. A small service fee applies for top-ups below $50, as I said earlier. Spend.net also provides fast, responsive 24/7 support via live chat and Telegram, making it easy to get help whenever you need it. So, whether you want to manage your online spending securely, earn cashback, or explore virtual cards, Spend.net makes it simple and free to get started. So, let's recap. Spend.net gives you free card creation, unlimited cards, 1% cashback on every purchase, worldwide acceptance, and 0 hidden fees. Your card details will unlock after you fund your account, keeping your card secure while giving you complete control. Use your card to pay for anything, from Adobe Photoshop to hotel bookings, AliExpress, eBay, Netflix, Spotify, AI services like ChatGPT+, and so much more. If it accepts Visa or MasterCard, Spend.net cards just work. Click the link in the description, sign up today, and start earning while you spend. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'll use your first card for. Thanks for watching. Now go grab your free card and start shopping smarter.